Okay, here's a great solution to number 4. Stock solution sodium sulfate, concentration, so there's C, let's call it C1, and a volume is 50 mils, let's call that, whoops, not C, a V1. And I want to dilute it so it becomes this, so that'll be concentration 2. And they say, what's the final volume going to be? So they want V2. So there's the formula, looking for V2. Formula is manipulated correctly. Calculations, perfect. So this would have to be the final volume, or volume 2, right? But then the question says, how much water do you have to add to the thing? Okay, let me draw you a picture. So the first one looks like this. Maybe let me make it a bigger jar. And inside there, I've got 50 milliliters, and the concentration is 1.00. So I want to dilute it, and so I dilute it, and when I dilute it, I have to add water, right? So the final volume comes out to be 200 milliliters from right here. So the question is, if I'm going from 50 to 200 milliliters, how much water do I have to add? So right now, this is my original volume, would be 50, so how much additional do I have to add? So you just take 200 and subtract 50. So you'd have to add 150 milliliters to this stuff in order for the concentration to be that.